This video gonna be very short and sweet and straight to the point because I don't like to play when it comes to money. Everybody know what time it is. It's around tax time. Everybody punching in them numbers and going to H&R Block or Tax Prepare or TaxSlayer, and the numbers ain't mapping. The math ain't mapping. Well, I'm here to tell y'all, this is where the power in getting the most back in your tax return. It's all about deduction and dependence. I call it the double D. It's all about deductions and dependence. That's the only thing that can make you get back money. A lot of people try to break even. A lot of people have to pay taxes. But the goal is to get back all the money you spent that year and then some. Finesse the government like they trying to finesse you. So let's start with dependents. They giving out $3,000 per dependent this year. If that child under the age of 18, and you know how that work, if a woman got 8 kids, she gonna let her sister file 2. She gonna let somebody file 1. It's just the minimum of kids that you can file yourself. People are finessing. They're doing this shit like food stamps. People are really finessing like hell. You know, that's when everybody buy their first car and it break down in 30 days. That's when everybody become the weed man. Y'all know how that go. Y'all know, but it's a way for you to get rich. And that's why I'm telling y'all how to optimize and maximize your tax return. Now, I will say this. If you don't know what you're doing, pinned up in the comment section is my TikTok and Instagram. I only do business inquiries from Instagram, but follow, like all my videos and all my pictures. I don't have a lot, less is more. Show me love, and then just contact me and tell me you need somebody to maximize your tax return. I'm gonna say I got you. I don't do too much talking. I'm just gonna send you my Cash App and the price. You send it to me. I got you. I don't care if you don't have no dependent. We'll get you one. Read between the YouTube guidelines. If you don't got a dependent, we'll get you one. But it's gonna cost a little more. You know what I'm saying? Call me Money Harder Block. MH Block instead of H&R Block. Call me M&H Block. Money Harder Block. M&H Block. That's what we gonna call me. So if y'all want y'all maximum return, y'all can go in the comment section at the Real Tab Flames. You can contact me on Instagram. Listen, I ain't got time for all that talking. I'm telling y'all on the video what I'm gonna do. So for all of y'all that reach out to me that say, how are you gonna do it? What do I need? I am not gonna respond back. I'm telling you how it go. And a lot of people do it the right way, then a lot of people contact me the wrong way. But enough about that. Like I said, when you contact me, just let me know you're trying to maximize it. I tell you how much I'm gonna charge you. You tell me if you want it dependent or not. I'm gonna tell you what I got for you or what can happen or how it happened. Let's just say if we was in a video game for YouTube purposes. So we talking about playing a video game about income taxes for 2024. That's what we talking about, playing a video game. All right. So in this video game, you know, if y'all need any type of thing for the PS5, y'all need anything for the Xbox Series, I got y'all. You understand what I'm saying? For YouTube community guideline purposes. So let's get back into the dependents. If they under 18, you're supposed to get $3,000 per kid. You understand? If they adults, then you should get back around about $1,500. It all depends. So let's say that you only getting back $500. With a dependent, you will get back $3,500. Now, let's say if you got a dependent and you don't want to spend for a young person, you got a dependent that's literally, older. That's gonna give you $1,500. If you only getting $500, now you're getting $2,000. Now, that's how it works. Now, see, a lot of people are shiesty. They have a lot of people's socials, have a lot of people addresses and names. They'll sell the same dependent to 10 different people, then y'all get audited tax time. Nah, you got to watch what you're doing. Now, if you got your own kids, and that's the thing too, a lot of mothers, they want to file their children, and then when the daddy filed the child, they have a whole fit. They have a whole fit when they ain't staying in the same home and co-parenting. You done filed the child 15 years in a row. This man filing once, it's the end of the world. Come on, man. It's bullshit in it. So I'm telling y'all how to not get finessed, how to finesse them. You understand? All these mothers, they spend all this money for Christmas and they get it all back tax time, and they look at you in February and March and tell you, you ain't been no daddy, you don't deserve nothing. That's when they take their girl trips. That's when they do out. Man, people shit on you. I'm showing y'all how to not get shitted on tax time. You understand? So, now that we know about dependents, let's go to deductions. Now, it's things such as churches, charities, giving back, doing community work, buying stuff. It's called tax write-offs. Let's talk about the rich. They can buy 4 brand new Maseratis. They could buy a Bentley and a house, and that'll be a tax write-off. Why? Because they used it for business purposes. But in reality, it's for personal use and pleasure, but they uses it for business purposes, so they write it off taxes. Rich people usually just try to break even that they don't owe Uncle Sam. Now you get middle class. Middle class is trying to just either break even or just get back a couple of hundred, and they done got shitted by the state. Now, the lesser class, the people in poverty, they're trying to get back the maximum. They trying to get back 10,000, 15,000, 6,000, 7,000. And y'all, a little hint, TaxSlayer got a glitch. We call it the TaxSlayer glitch. That's why I might name this video. It's a glitch in TaxSlayer that can get you a lot of money. Now, what I noticed, when I give y'all the game, y'all will go report my videos to YouTube, the haters. So this all I'm gonna say to y'all for community guideline purposes. If you want the TaxSlayer glitch, or you need me to do the TaxSlayer glitch for you that make sure you guarantee to get over 6 bands, then go to the comment section. Find my Instagram at TheRealTabFlames. It's simple. Write me that you're trying to maximize. I'm going to send you the price of my Cash App. I done told y'all I get you the maximum. I done told y'all I do the double D's. It is it's M and H a block. What they call it? H and R block. I'm M and H block. Money Hoarder block. Y'all remember that. And y'all remember in the comment section, y'all like this video, share this video. If y'all want to bring other business, if they refer you, I give you a discount. I look out for you. I do things for you. I also supply sauce. I got for $200, I will repair your credit in 30 days. For $200, I got money making methods. I'll send you, I'll do something for you for a little extra. I also do the SBA, PPP loans, the grants. I do it all. If you're interested in any of the above, then hit me up. Now, blame all these haters. I would break it down to y'all how you do the TaxSlayer glitch, but it's always haters. I made a video about a glitch in Navy Federal. People reported it so much that I ended up on the Navy Federal account, and the only reason why I didn't get incarcerated because they say that I embezzled $120,000 from Navy Federal, and when they checked my social, I never even had an account at Navy Federal. Y'all want to get y'all cash right? Comment section. Holla. Gang.